Hey guys, hi. Welcome to the Coder First YouTube channel. I am your friend Pankaj, and in this video we will learn list and keys and map method in React. So first of all we will see what is map. A map is a data collection type where data is stored in the form of key value pairs. Like we store data in the array in key value format. Okay, so what is map? A map is a data collection type where data is stored in the form of key value pairs. The value stored in the map must be mapped to the key. The map is a JavaScript function that can be called with an array. Okay, understood? Map is a JavaScript function. This is the JavaScript function that can be called with an array. So let's dive into the practical. But guys, before dive into the practical, please subscribe this channel and like this video so that this video will reach to more and more students. So guys, this is the app.js file and this is the topmost file in the React. So let's set the example for the map. So let's take an array cons cars. Let's make this big so that you can see well. So we are taking an array cars. This is the cars array. So using map method we will convert this cars array into list. So for listing this array we will use map method. Okay, so in the curly braces we will take this array cars and on that array we will use map method, and this contain the key and value. Okay, the map method contain the key and value. Okay, so let's say we take division. Okay, and in the curly braces, so in this division we will print the value of this cars array. And what are the values? Maruti, Mercedes, Toyota, Renault, Jaguar, Kia. These are the elements of array, and we will print these elements using the map method. So this cars array we are mapping here. Can you see this cars array we were mapping here with its value and key? So let's put its value here in the division value. Okay, and let's run it. So guys, can you see the result? It is printing the values Maruti, Mercedes, Toyota, Renault, Jaguar and Kia, all the elements which are present in the cars array. So this is our output. Okay, so we have find the values, but where is the key? Okay, so for finding the keys we have to inspect this page and we will go through, and can you see there is no keys. Okay, so we will add the keys in the division. Okay, so that we can see the keys also. Okay, suppose I take class name and in the class name I put key. Okay, and I save it. Now can you see the keys? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the keys, and suppose I remove it, it will remove all the keys. I save it and again you can see it has removed all the keys. Now let's say we have another array. Actually I already have array. So this is the array I already built. Okay, I copy and paste here. Okay, this is also the cars array. It contains the car name, model, fuel type, transmission type, engine type, mileage and sitting capacity. We will print this array using the map method, but in the table format. Okay, so let's say we have table, and let's say we have T body. you know T body and T head because you know HTML, right? So I will not tell you what is T body and T head. Okay, in the T body, let's say a row for the headings th. Okay, so this one is car name. Now this map method we will take in the T body. Okay, and in the place of division we take tr, table row, sorry, it's tr. Okay, now in the td, now in the td we will take values of the array. Okay, so using, first of all we have to take curly braces. Okay, and using value, so what is the value, what is the value, we have to take car name. Okay, because this array contain key and value pair. Okay, so this one is car name. Okay, and same we have to take for all the properties. Okay, then model, then fuel type, then transmission type, then engine type, and then mileage, and last one is seating capacity. Okay, I save it, and so this is the table, but this table is not proper. Okay, we have to add the border here. Okay, so let's say go on the table and add some border. Border is equal to 1. Okay, I save it. Now this is the table we have got using the map method. Okay, can you see that this cars array contain the 4 object? Okay, this is first, this is second, this is third one, and this is fourth one. These are the 4 object, and we have got the 4 object. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is third, and this is fourth one. Okay, but where is the key? Okay, but where is the key? Okay, so these are the 4 tr, these are the 4 row, but we have to add the keys here, otherwise it will give the error. Okay, it is giving each child in the list should have a unique key prof. Okay, so let's add the key there. So key equal to key. Let's save it and reload this page. Now you can see the error are gone. So guys, this is all about map method in React. I hope you like this video and you understand what is map method in React and how it works. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe this channel so that this video will reach to more and more students. Thank you so much.